Good partner.
Good evening, partner.
Okay, so we're going to discuss about our topic today, which is about authentic assessments. Partner, what is the reason why authentic assessment important to us as educator?
I think it is important to use authentic assessment in education because they provide a more accurate reflection of a student's understanding and abilities.
I agree. Yes, partner, you're right. Authentic assessment allows students to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in a real world context rather than just merely memorization information on a test.
Exactly, partner. Authentic assessment are designed to replicate the types of tasks and challenges that students will face in the real world. This helps students develop skills that are relevant and practical.
In contrast, traditional assessments like multiple choice tests often only measure a student's ability to recall information. They don't necessarily assess a student's critical thinking, problem solving, or communication skills.
That's a good point, Maddie. Authentic assessment encourages students to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively. These are essential skills that students need to succeed in the workforce and in life.
Yeah, you're right, partner. It is very important to use authentic assessment as educators because it gains valuable insights into a students' strength areas for growth. This allows for more targeted and personalized instruction to help students reach their full potential.
So overall, partner, I believe that authentic assessment are more effective and meaningful way to evaluate students' learning. They provide a more holistic view of students' abilities and help prepare them for success beyond the classroom.
Yeah, it's a very important to use as authentic assessment partner, right?
Yes, that's very important.
Now, now partner, we will go beyond the topic which is developing authentic classroom assessments. So now partner, what do you think what can you say about developing authentic classroom assessments?
So, I guess partner develop authentic classroom assessments is starting with importance of having a framework for such assessments. A framework can provide structure and guidance for creating authentic assessments that truly reflect students' knowledge and skills.
Yeah, I really agree with you, partner, because a framework can help ensure that the assessments are aligned with learning objectives, engage students in meaningful tasks, and provide valuable feedback for both students and teachers. It can also help maintain consistency and fairness in the assessment process.
Yes, partner, because when developing authentic assessments, it is very crucial to consider the context in which students will apply their knowledge and skills. This means that designing tasks that mimic real world challenges and require students to think critically, problem solve, and communicate effectively.
Absolutely, Buddy. Authentic assessments should be relevant, meaningful, and purposeful. They should provide students with opportunities to demonstrate their learning in ways that are authentic to the subject matter and the skills they are developing.
So, moving on to the development process of authentic assessments, it's important to involve students in the design and implementation of assessments. This can help ensure that the assessments are engaging, relevant, and reflective of students' interests and abilities.
Yeah, partner. Student involvement in the assessment development process can also promote ownership of learning and motivation to succeed. It fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability among students, making the assessment process more meaningful and effective.
Yes, I agree, partner. And additionally, The development process should include ongoing feedback and reflection to continuously improve the authenticity and effectiveness of assessments. This iterative approach allows for adjustments based on students' performance, teachers' observations, and changing educational needs.
Yes, partner. By following a systematic and collaborative approach to developing authentic assessments, educators like us can create a more engaging and effective learning experience for students. So authentic assessments not only evaluate student learning but also promote deeper understanding, critical thinking, and real-world application of knowledge and skills. It is very important, yeah, right,
Yes.
Swati, that
Yes.
using authentic assessment.
Yes, that's very important, especially to us future educators.
I am so very happy to have a chat with you to our authentic assessment and how to develop that.
Yes,
Okay, goodbye, partner.
goodbye.